Today we'll be checking out our new plugin, that's the multi-vendor SMSA shipping for the Magento 2 platform-based marketplace web stores. So basically this plugin allows the marketplace sellers to use the SMSA as a shipping service for their products. Now the SMSA shipping service is available in Saudi Arabia and the United Emirates as well, and the marketplace admin can allow the sellers to save their SMSA details so as to use this shipping service for the shipment of their orders. The sellers can set a price for the first 15 kgs weight of the orders and can even set an additional price if the weight of any order is more than 15 kgs. Now using this particular module, the sellers can even create shipping labels for the orders and can print them, and this is same for the marketplace admin as well. The admin can also even create shipping labels for their orders and can print them as well. Kindly note that this particular plugin, that's the multi-vendor SMSA shipping for the Magento 2 platform, is an add-on to the Magento 2 multi-vendor marketplace by Webkul. So you'll have to install that first before making use of this particular add-on. That's the shipping add-on. I'll be showing you the workflow of this particular plugin at the storefront as a customer, and then I'll be showing you how to set the origin for from the vendor's account panel, how to manage the SMSA shipping details under the vendor account, and lastly I'll be showing you how the admin of the store would be able to set the origin there, and how he can make the initial configuration settings for the SMSA shipping plugin itself. So before we proceed further, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do give it a thumbs up. So right now you can see that I've added one product. I've already logged into my customer account, as you can see, and I've added one product. That's the men's t-shirt that I've added into the cart. And kindly note that this shipping is available, that's the SMSA is available in the Saudi Arabia as well as the United States of Emirates. So you can do a domestic shipping as well you can do it as an international shipping. So right now you can see that we are doing an international shipping. The product of this seller is from Saudi Arabia itself, but the customer is from United States, California. And as soon as the estimated shipping and taxes are being calculated, here you can find the SMSA shipping for $12, and here as well you can see the SMSA shipping name and the method name along with the amount, that's $12. Now the customers just need to select the SMSA shipping there, and they need to tap on the proceed to checkout button thereafter, and they'll be taken to the checkout page. And as we have already selected the SMSA shipping here, so that's why it's already selected. We'll just tap here on the next button, and on the payment page under the order summary we can find the shipping that we have selected. That's the SMSA shipping, and the amount is for $12 there. Now the customer just needs to tap here on the place order button to place the order. After the order has been placed, the customer can find the selected shipping method under the order history there. So the order has been placed. Let's check the order details, and here if I scroll down under the shipping methods, you can see the SMSA shipping name and the method name is visible to the customers as well. Now this was the workflow at the customer's end on the storefront. Now let's hop on to the marketplace vendors account panel. So here on the left hand side panel you can see I have the marketplace dashboard and the account options. And first I'll show you how to set up the shipping settings and how to manage the SMSA shipping. Then we'll come to the order generation and the rest of the things. But before that, let's go through the order history and let's generate the shipping there, or the shipping label there. So the marketplace vendor just needs to navigate to the my order history section, and here he'll find the same order, that's the order number 10 for the men t-shirt. He'll tap here on the view order, and he can read the order along with the details. He can see that the shipping method that was selected was SMSA shipping, the name and the title there. Now to create the shipping label, he'll have to check this particular option, and that brings up the create package section. Here he'll have to add products to the package. So I'll tap on the add products to the package. I'll select the particular product, and I'll tap here on the save button, add selected products to package. It will add the particular product into the package. As you can see under the package number 1, we can give the length, width and the height of the package, and then we'll tap here on the save button. Now after tapping on the save button, the shipping would be generated, and the marketplace vendor can see the shipping label as well, so he can download that up as well. So you can see that the shipping has been created, and the shipping label has been created. So let's go to the shipping tab here, and here's the order itself, and here are the details. As you can see, here we have the tracking number, the title and the carrier. That's the SMSA shipping itself. And to download the shipping label, I'll just have to tap here on the download shipping label, and here you can see that the shipping label has been downloaded. Let's open the shipping label, and here's the shipping label that you are looking for. So here are the details. The shipper is from Riyadh, the details of the seller, and it's to Los Angeles John Doe, and the street address of the customer there. So that's how you can easily download the shipping label as well under the seller's account panel. So that was all about the workflow of this particular plugin at the customers and the seller's end. Same goes for the marketplace admin as well. Now let's see the shipping settings and the what we say as the manage SMSA shipping settings there. So first of all, let's go to the shipping settings here. So I'll just tap here on the shipping settings. Now that brings up the shipping origin address. So the origin address should be of Saudi Arabia or the United States of Emirates. So here you'll have to enter your street address, your city, your state, your zip code and your country, and then just tap here on the save button. Then you need to come to the manage SMSA shipping for the vendor. So I'll just tap here on the manage SMSA, and here you can see that we can the seller can configure the SMSA configuration here. So after you have successfully created an account at SMSA, you'll get a passkey. That passkey is to be entered here. Then you can set the price for the first 15 kgs. So if the parcel is under 15 kgs, you can set the price for that, and then you can see that price for additional per kg. So after 15 kgs, you can set the price per kg that would be applicable for the same. So for example, if we have two products and one is of 15 kgs, the other one is of 2 kgs, then the total price here would be $12 plus $6, that is $18. So after setting this configuration here, you just need to tap here on the save button, and we are done making the initial configuration settings. So the vendor just needs to make the shipping settings, wherein he'll set up his origin address from Saudi Arabia or from the United States of Emirates, and then he'll have to manage the SMSA shipping, wherein he needs to enter his passkey, set the price for the first 15 kgs, then the price for the additional per kg there, and then tap save, and then this particular SMSA configuration would be or the shipping method would be available for his product at the checkout time of to the customers there within the marketplace store. So this was the vendor's end. Now let's hop on to the admin end, and let's see what different configurations are there for the admin to do. So for that, let me take you to the admin backend panel. So we'll be logging into our Magento 2 Multi-Vendor Marketplace web stores backend panel by entering the username password. After we have successfully logged in, we'll navigate through stores and then configuration. So the admin also needs to set up the origin address, and for that he'll have to navigate through stores configuration. Here he'll go to the sales section, and here he'll go to the shipping settings. Now under the shipping settings, the admin first needs to set up his origin. So I've selected as Saudi Arabia. Region is ABA, the zip code, city, street. I've selected these things and I've set the origin there, and then I'll just tap here on the save configuration to save the configuration settings. Now about the initial configuration settings for the delivery method, that's the SMSA shipping. I'll go to the delivery methods within the same section. Under the sales, we have the delivery methods, and here you'll find the Webkul marketplace SMSA shipping, as you can see. So here the admin can make the initial configuration settings for this particular plugin. Now, the very first option that we have here is to enable or disable the functionality of the SMSA shipping within our store. So if you want to enable this shipping, you'll choose it as a yes. Otherwise, to disable it, you'll choose it as a no. Then you can set the title that is visible to the customers at the checkout time and within the cart after they have estimated their shipping and taxes there. So this title would be visible to the customers. Then we have the allow sellers to save SMSA details. So I was just showing you how the sellers can go to the manage SMSA shipping and enter the passkey. Now if you want that the marketplace vendors should be able to save the SMSA details there, then you need to choose this option as a yes. Otherwise choose it as a no to not allow the sellers to save the SMSA details. Then we have the method name. The same title and the method name were visible to the customers at the time of checkout there, and you can set this up as per your own requirement there. Then you can choose to make use of this shipping plugin in the production mode or the sandbox mode. So if you want to make use of it in the sandbox or the testing mode, then you will have to choose it as a yes. Otherwise, if you want to make use it as in the live mode, then you need to choose it as a no. Then you need to enter the passkey that you get after registering at the SMSA. Then here you can find two more options. One is the price for the first 15 kgs. So this is the price that would be applicable for the package that's under 15 kgs there. That's $10. And you can set the price for the additional per kg above 15 kgs. I've set it as $5 for the same for per kg. So if the package is of 16 kilograms, then the shipping cost would be $10 plus price for the additional per kg, that is 5, that is $15 altogether. Then we have ship to applicable countries. So you can choose to allow the shipment to all allowed countries or specific countries. For specific countries, you'll have to choose your specific countries there. For now, we'll select it as all allowed countries. Then we have the sort order. You can set the sort order for this particular shipping method at the checkout time. Then you have the option to show the method if it's not applicable. So if the method is not applicable and you've chosen this as a yes, then this error message would be displayed. Otherwise, if you choose show method if not applicable as no, then nothing would be displayed at the checkout page there. So after making these configuration settings, you just need to tap here on the save configuration button and we are done configuring the SMSA multi-vendor marketplace shipping plugin. So that was much about the workflow of the admin end, how to set up the shipping settings and how to set up the Webkul marketplace SMSA shipping configuration settings. And I hope it helped you out in understanding the workflow of these. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements regarding this particular shipping plugin, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webkul.com. You can raise a ticket at webkul.uvs.com. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then you can give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.